Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a true want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot, and sometimes they are time sensitive. So if that bell is on and you get the notification, you won't miss out. It's also nice because during the day, if our days get away from us, it will be waiting for you in your inbox, and then it's something fun for you to do at the end of your day. All right, today is the day that we are going to be opening up the Boxycharm base box. This is the $25 a month box. This is where Boxycharm started. This is the free freight, everything included in this $25 box. They were the first ones to come out with full-size products. And this is how I got introduced to Boxycharm. I do open up my boxes prior to filming to make sure everything that is in the box should be in the box, and there was no card. So because there was no card, I sat down with my computer to go in and see if at least the items are marked somewhere on Boxycharm, and it's only marked under the review area. So I was able to pull down some of the information. One of the products isn't even in my review section. So I checked also in the premium and it wasn't there either. So I went to the website of the product to get the information from there. If you saw my previous video where I did one of my subscribers said it better than I should have put in the title, it was an informative rant, because I'm not a person that does rants. It's just there was so much information that was thrown at me all on the same day, and a lot of it was very negative. And then the box came and I had to film. So I'm very much a person that I need to be able to share, and that's why this channel for me with you guys is exactly what I'm doing. So like I said, majority of the time, 99.9% of the time, I'm over the moon and happy and excited to open up the box and share the items with you with true excitement. And I guess when it's not that comes across too. So thank you for all of the beautiful comments that you guys left me under that video, and shared with me some of your concerns as well, and it just made me feel a better connection to you guys, so thank you for that. All right, so like I said, I printed up as much as I could. I am not overly excited about this base box, and we'll go through it and you'll see why as we go through it. I literally just pulled the items out, put it on the area for the picture for Instagram, because when I come on here, I like to pull things apart and play. So I like to get the Instagram picture done first, and it's smart because this way I get to know if there's anything damaged or no information on that I wouldn't be able to share with you right here and now. So if you see me looking down, it's everything that I printed, and then we'll go it from there. The one item that I'm really happy that was in the box and paid for the box on its own, and to me it's as if I got it on a pop-up or something, because if I don't like anything else in the box, this would have only cost me $25, and this is a $60 product. So in that sense, I'm really happy that I have the box. So this here is the Elemis. It was one of the choices. It was a dynamic resurfacing facial pads. It's a skin smoothing pads. I enjoy these so much. You can get them from First Aid, Beauty. I just finished a batch from Dr. Nassif. I used to use them from Dr. Denise. This is what they look like. They come in these little circular pads here, and the actual skin ingredients are already in the pad, and I'm surprised nothing's marked. Oh, it's probably all down here. And one side is usually smooth, one side let me see if I can get this up close to you guys. One size has almost like an exfoliation type to it, and then the other side is smooth. So these are really, really fantastic to use. They're a great thing to travel with, so you don't have to travel with anything really liquid because your pads and the liquid is already inside here. And they are great to use as your toner, as your exfoliation. This one's resurfacing. I just really enjoy these. So for me, this already paid for the box. So I'm just going to read you what they wrote here. It's called the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. And Elemis for me has been an absolute find, and I really have to thank Boxycharm for that, because they introduced me to a line that now is in one of my top tiers of skincare products. So this says it's Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. They're a dual action exfoliating pad that keeps your pores clear and your complexion looking smooth. It is a patented tri-enzyme technology formula which works together to help break up peptide bonds and gently yet effectively resurface your skin. It is probiotics and lactic acid that are also found in this facial set to remove dense skin cells and boost your radiance. So it will smooth, it will resurface, and it will exfoliate. It's powered by Elemis patented tri-enzyme technology that is a dual action new dynamic resurfacing facial pad which will gently smooth and brighten your complexion. They say that to clean the skin of dead skin cells in less than 1 minute. It acts on 2 levels as a chemical and physical exfoliant. It evens out your complexion to help promote your skin's radiance. And they're saying that 97% agreed the product feels gentle on the skin. 96% agreed the product left the skin feeling soft and smooth. 92% agreed the product left their skin feeling revitalized. And 85% agreed the product is effective at resurfacing the skin. The recommendation is to use it twice per day, morning and evening, after cleansing for maximum benefits, using after what they're saying is their dynamic resurfacing facial wash, followed with a dynamic resurfacing serum. I'm using right now the one that we received last month in the green bottles. It's a foaming cleanser and unhydrating serum. And I'm telling you, I am using it every single day, and I've already been using it. It's got to be a little over a month now, and I'm enjoying it so much, and my skin is enjoying it. So they're simply saying to smooth the pad, the texture side down over the face in a circular motion. And then what I do is I do that side first, and then I do the other side, the smoothing side. So that's how I use these, and I enjoy them, but I've never used the Elemis one, so I'm really excited to have this now in my arsenal. And like I said, this is just under $60 in a $25 box. The next makeup that I received is actually a palette. It's from this company called Studiomaker. This is a new brand to me. It's saying it's an easy to wear eyeshadow palette. It looks very similar to the way the setup is on my Urban Decays. That's what it looks like here. It's a very neutral tone palette. They do have names on this, and I will swatch this at the end of the video. This one is a $35 value. It says the Studiomakeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette displays a versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks. This all day and all night creamy smooth eyeshadow texture glides on, blends with ease, and provides true color coverage in a stroke. There was no information on Boxycharm's website about this company, but I will be looking into it, and the palette looks like a true natural palette. The next item that we got was a brand also that is going to be a new introduction, and now Boxycharm is saying that their box is considered a discovery box. So this would be one of those discovery items for me. It is AYAM Beauty Care. It's saying it is a Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum. It's a makeup remover wipe. It removes even waterproof mascara. And they're saying this is a $17 value. They're saying these Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes will help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening your skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving your skin hydrated and luminous. It's designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry. So that's what this is here. The next item that we received is one that they have a full page written on, and I'm happy they do because I don't know anything about this type of product. It is called Daily Concepts. It's a shampoo bar, and they're saying it is plant-based vegan. That's the box that it came in here. Give you that. And this is the soap on a rope type of way that this is set up, but they're saying it's shampoo in this bar. It does not smell lovely. That's all I'm going to say. It's a very high, when you go into a spa type of experience, it's that type of aroma. I like a different scent when it's going to be for shampoo, but worst case scenario, I'm going to try this, but if it's something I don't love, it will be something that I'll use to wash my makeup brushes. So let me just read you everything about this, because it is, like I said, it's totally new to me, and I'm sure it is to you as well. It is a $24 item. They're saying the shampoo bar is a solid shampoo and conditioner bar that you can use to wash and condition your hair during your shower time. It is a dual effect, which ensures that your hair is cleansed and moisturized simultaneously, just in one step. This Daily Concepts, which is a good brand, conducted a way to cut the time and waste of your daily hair washing routine. You will spend less time on your hair cleansing ritual using the shampoo bar. The plant-based ingredients are included to promote healthier green elements for your hair. That's the smell I'm getting. It is a green element. There are no harsh chemicals included in the shampoo ingredients. The shampoo bar has a rope handle for easier application for your hands. The rope material used in this product is biodegradable and could be easily decomposed or recycled once thrown away after use. The shampoo bar is packaged in a cardboard box to reduce waste for the environment. There's no plastic packaging in use of the shampoo bar to keep our landfills and our general earth environment clean. Daily Concepts' mission is to contribute good into the ecosystem and use their best efforts in each product that they produce to source natural ingredients. The shampoo bar contains cactus, aloe vera, avocado oil ingredients. Cactus oil is high in fatty acids, making this ingredient efficient in preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The natural vitamins and minerals of this cactus protects bonds. It heals your split ends and maintains healthy hair follicles. The aloe vera will promote your hair's growth. It will reduce dandruff, and it will naturally condition your hair. It contains enzymes that contribute to repairing dead skin cells on your scalp that contribute to that dry scalp issue. The avocado oil is able to deeply penetrate your hair follicles and helps prevent breakage on your hair. And the avocado oil is rich in vitamin A, D, and E, the nutrients that help with moisturizing your hair and scalp. The avocado oil can also strengthen the hair shafts, protected from UV damage, and reduce dandruff. The shampoo bar is to be lathered onto your hair well with water. When the soap foams, cleanse the hair in circular motions to fill your scalp and hair strands, then rinse thoroughly after use. So this, like I said, is a completely brand new concept, and the fact that this is a product that I've never even heard of in our Boxycharm is why they're calling it now the Discovery Box. So happy to have that. The scent is just something I have to get used to. Like I said, it is very much that green plant-based scent. I'm happy I read that. So, and it has a lot of benefits to it, so excited about that also. The last item is the item that I had trouble finding. It wasn't there for me to review on my site, so I don't know if this was a last-minute drop in the box, but like I said, it wasn't on there is no card, but it wouldn't have, it wasn't in the review section for me to even review this product after I use it. So this says it is a conceal, cover, and correct crayon. It is from that brand TRESTIQUE, which is a really, really good brand, and their packaging is always very unique. The color that they sent to me is in my color Bisque, and it might be because I write that my complexion is light, medium, medium in their beauty profile. But for me, my foundations are that. But for me, I like to use concealers that are lighter. I did write that in my beauty profile, but I don't know how much they're using that. But for the base of it, they are. So this here is the box that it came in. The TRESTIQUE products are always really cute. They always look like they're open. They look like they are, but they're not. The larger ones like this usually have a metallic closure, which this one does. So I'm very impressed with this TRESTIQUE brand. Like I said, this does come in 3 colors when I looked up on their website. They have it in a porcelain, the Bisque, which is what I have here, and a toffee. So it's light, medium, dark. And let me just do a quick swatch for you guys here. It goes on very smoothly. To me, this is a color that I'm not sure, mind you, it has a peachy undertone to it, so I might use it more as a corrector than as a concealer. but I will find some use for it because I really am impressed with this TRESTIQUE brand. It is like, they're calling it a concealer crayon. They're saying it is a 2-in-1 concealer stick. It's hygienic, antibacterial blender, empowers you to correct, cover, and perfect like a pro. They're saying this is a $24 value. They're saying it's formulated for extra smooth, easy glide on application. And they're saying, like I mentioned, it's in 3 shades. But it mentioned here, oh, okay. I didn't see this. This is, when I read it, it said there was a sponge. That's why I always read what these products are all about, because I would have not been able to show this to you guys because I didn't even know this existed. I thought that was solely the twist up part of the product. So it is a sponge on the other side to help you blend it out, and it really does blend nicely. It's a really, really good sponge. So the fact that they're saying this is a hygienic antibacterial, that's fantastic too. So really, really happy that this was in the box, but wish that I got a card and that it was also something that I would have been able to review to get points for the charm room, but it's not available. I will write to them to tell them that and see if they'll add it to the review area. And that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm base box. On my channel, you also know that I do get 2 boxes. I'm going to swatch this for you guys now. 2 boxes, so we're going to get a second box because I have 2 accounts. And the second account was solely set up to get a base box when it was Luxe Month. But because of the choice items that you can have, I put 1 choice in 1 box and 1 in the other. So that's why I continued to get 2 boxes. So let's just do a quick swatch on this so we could learn a little bit more about this product line. It looks like it's a mixture of mattes and shimmers, and I'll just read you the names and put them on my fingers, and then we'll just do some quick swatches. So the first one is Sheen, the second one is Flaxen, then Bare, and then Glided. And those are what those look like here. And they're going on beautifully. That's what they look like here. I do have a wet facial wipe here to wipe my fingers in between the swatches, as well as a dry towel to wipe off the moisture. All right, and then we'll do the next 4, which is Wicked, Like, Dusk, and Blush. And that's what those look like here. Yeah, they're going on very nicely. But some of the colors are not showing up as much as others, and it might just be because I'm using my weaker finger, but it is also probably because it's close to my skin tone. And that's what those look like here. And then the last one is the dark brown, which is a matte, which I love when that is in a palette, because you always need this type of color in all your palettes. And I'll put it right beside this one here. And it's really a nice chestnut type brown. So like I said, this is a brand new brand to me. I should have looked it up prior to, but I wanted to go through. I was really more interested in the shampoo bar because that was something new to me. And like I said, if you're familiar with this brand called STUDIOMAKEUP, I would love you guys to leave a comment down below. If this is a box that you got similar to me and you've gotten it earlier and you tried any of the products, I would love you guys to also leave that in the comments down below, because our comments under In True Wants are to share with each other the information, and all of us read each other's comments. So whatever information you have that you can share, I do appreciate that you guys leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you are enjoying my content. It is important on the YouTube platform. What that does for me is YouTube says the thumbs up gives them an indication that they should show my videos in front of other people that are not familiar with my newer channel yet. So if people watch videos similar to mine, they will put that in their feed so it will pop up. So thank you very much for taking that second. It's right underneath the video to leave me that thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me the comments, because I'm always interested to hear what everyone else has gotten and what your feedback is on it if you had the opportunity to use the products. Did you also get this TRESTIQUE item, or did you receive a card in your box? And when you went to the review area, was there anything else in your box that wasn't available in the review section? I would love to know that as well. Once again, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day. I do appreciate that you choose it to spend it with me, as well as it's really important for me to say to you, I want you all to continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.